So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about form attributes. So in this video, we are going to learn about five form attributes. First one is our action, as you can see. Second is our target. Third one is our method attribute. Fourth one is our autocomplete attributes. And fifth one is our no validate attributes. So in previous video, you already learned our action attribute and target attributes. Okay, for action for move to the next file for the registration, that's why we use, and for the new file tab open, for that we use target attributes. Now let's use our method attributes. Okay, then method get. Why get? Because get method is a default method in form attributes is used. Okay, so let's specify method. So methods specifies the HTTP method to use when sending from data. So method is used for sending from data. Okay, and we use get method. Okay, now let's. There are two types of method: get and post. Okay, I already told you get and post. Okay, now let's move forward to our get. So get is a default, and also never use you to send sensitive data by get. Okay, don't use get method if you want to send your sensitive data in a website. Okay, now get has a length of limit character 2048. That's the limit for the get method. Now let's see what happens in get method. Let's open our live server. Let's write down here anything. Now let's submit. As you can see that the get method is appends the form data to the URL in value. As you can see, let's zoom it. As you can see, our phone name, last name, phone number, password, email, repeat password. So whatever upload in a URL, that is called our get method. Okay, and also is a default method. Now that let's create our post method. Now let's create post, then save, then refresh it. We'll just write down submit. This page is not working right now. Sometimes it's not work in a Microsoft Explorer, but you can open in Chrome. Let's see, then submit. As you can see in Chrome, is registration done. As you can see, there's a difference here. In post attributes method, it didn't show it in URL. Whichever content you write in a form, it didn't show it here. That's why it's use post method. And post method, if you want to send your sensitive data, then I mostly suggest you use post data. Okay, and post data has no limitation and use the basically it's not shown in the URL. I already told you it's not basically shown in URL. And also, if you want to send large amounts of data, then use post data. So that's for you all. Now let's move forward to our autocomplete attributes. Now let's autocomplete attributes specifies whether a form should have autocomplete on or off. Okay. Now let's see, when autocomplete is on, the browser automatically complete values based on values that the user has entered before. Whichever you fill up the form is automatically shown like that. Let's write down autocomplete on, then save. Now refresh it. As you can see, when I click here on, it's showing like this. I write down VDV in previous, as you can see, it's showing right now. In password, it didn't show it. Okay, let's write down like this. So this is called autocomplete. Okay, let's just like submit. Okay, now refresh it. As you can see, VDV. Let's create new name EV 123 1234 gold. Select here all, then submit. Okay, as you can see that, let's refresh it. When I click here, its autocomplete is on. As you can see, EV phone number it didn't show it, but you can see our text in here. Password it didn't work in that. Okay, and also our checkbox and radio button is not selected. As you can see, so that's for the our autocomplete on. Let's write down autocomplete off. Then save. Then let's see. As you can see that it didn't show it right now. Why? Because we did autocomplete off. It didn't show it our right side. If we write just like on, then save, and refresh it. As you can see, our autocomplete is on. So that's for the our autocomplete attributes. Now let's move forward to no validate attributes. Why we use no valid attributes? ST. No validate attributes is a Boolean attributes. Okay. When it specifies that the form data should not be validated when submitted. Okay. This basically means no validate ignore the required field. Okay. Now let's see when we click here, as you can see there's a required field here or password, but I write only no validate, then save, then refresh it, then submit. As you can see, the no validate attributes ignore the required field, as you can see, but never use no validate in a form. If you want to use no validate, you can use that, but use that in our input type. If you want to write in first name not valid as required, then you can use that. Let's just cut this and just paste it here. As you can see, I write down required here and also no validate. Okay, then refresh it, then submit. As you can see, is password is also. So that's for the our no validate. Okay, if we write like here, then it's ignore the required field, as you can see. So that's for the our form attributes, guys. And write down your email ID in comment section for the source code. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.